Hey everyone, this is me again, back with another video. Now, today in this video, I'm going to be explaining March 18th and how it's fake, as you can tell by the title. So, yeah. As you can see, it is March 18th right now. So, I know, this is how I know this is fake. So, if you don't know what March 18th is, it's basically a day where a rumor in Roblox, it's a myth, where, John Doe, this guy, is supposed to hack everyone on the... That's new. Anyways, he's supposed to hack everyone, and he is fake because, if you don't know, actually, now we're going to Wayback Machine. So if you weren't in Roblox, March 18th, 2017, then, if you weren't in last year's March 18th, which is, Roblox, March 18th, 2017, then, oh look, they have it here. No, that's 19. Okay, so, if you weren't here, then, John Doe, if you didn't know, that John Doe actually, okay, so, guess we're a thing, so I think I can be a guest. You know what, no, this is actually the only screenshot that somebody decided to take. Let's do, blah, blah, blee. Anyways, I'm not going to do that because, I'm gonna explain it to you. So John Doe was supposed to come and hack everyone on March 18th, so he didn't. He was not online by then, so Roblox, that's not real, so, yeah, that's only a myth, and if you think it's real, I'm just letting you know, it's not, and it's a myth. So, oh, they have a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, John Doe. Also, there's this girl called Jane Doe, and Jane... So Jane Doe actually, was also supposed to hack everyone. Also, they both... so they were both test accounts. I don't know who started this. I don't know who created that myth, but it's fake. So let me explain that John Doe and Jane Doe were actually test accounts, and we're going to go to prove it because, look, oh wait, he didn't create the game. So, I know he prove it. Okay, so here it is, prove it, okay. Prove it, March 18th edition. So this is a game where lots of people decide to go and pretend to be hackers. Look, I'm going to be showing you that it's fake. Hold on. March 18, let's play. You know what, I'll just make a March 18th account. Name like March 18th is fake. I'm not gonna reveal my birthday, so I'm just gonna be bright. So I made the account. March 18th is fake. 2018. What? Okay then, I made my gender be a boy. Let's just do this then. Okay, so this is my avatar. I promise I made it be a boy. Okay, so it's actually going to prove it in games. So I'm gonna prove it is fake. So if you see, I'm gonna talk some sense into everyone with myself. Hack me. See, look, hack me. So that means people go to this game and then hang out in here around here and pretend to be hackers. So people like to go into this game, prove it, and then tell other people that they are hackers. Let's go. I'm gonna go into this game to show you. And yeah. Oh, look. See, look, and they dress like that. And then they dress like stuff like I did, and then they dress like that, and then oh, look, wait, stop spinning. These glasses are really into the mood. March 18th is fake. Oh. Any noob hackers? Maybe. Okay, so people make their avatars look like mysterious and kind of like weird, and then they come here and hang out and say, "Oh, look at me, I'm a hacker, and I'm going to hack you." On let's see, look, there's a bunch of people right here. One time I was playing here and I saw someone like exploiting and making themselves fly, but like see, look, and also I know guests got removed, but for some weird reason in this game there's always a guest 666. I know it's not an NPC because I see it right here. I think he is exploiting or something. So every time there's a guest in this server, it's always guest 666. That's so weird. Even it's weirder because guests got removed. So we're going to be looking around only today. Like only today. That's probably one of those fake hackers. Only today. And today right now we're going to be looking around to see like all the fake hackers that like think. Okay, and there's lots of fake people here. No, they're real, but they're like fake. They're fake hackers. They make other kids that play this game other kids just play this game due to the clickbait YouTubers, and then they come here. Okay, I don't know why girls and boys in Roblox find their avatars looking. I don't know why girls think their avatar looks good and boys find it attractive when girls' avatars are thick. Anyways, with R15 it could be, but not without R15. Oh look, I am hacker. You know, I actually used to have a no-clip hack. Who's the one who said I'm a hacker? Hack my... And then people spam stupid things to make themselves look like a hacker. They just say stuff like that. I actually... So basically last year, I used to actually, I was like, trying to see if John Doe was real, so I was expecting him to hack us all, so I just, joined a game, and then, I expected him to hack us all, and he didn't. So that just gave me the conclusion. That just gave me the conclusion to say that John Doe is not real. And I'm gonna end the video here. Just telling you that the John Doe, one last time, that the John Doe myth is not real. Like, he doesn't hack. He's just a test account made back in 2016. I meant to say 2006. He was made in 2006, and he's a test account, so he doesn't hack Roblox, and he never will. So that was just a video for all of you guys who believe in the John Doe myth, but like, if you don't believe in the John Doe myth, then there was really no point of you watching this video. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you want, and subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you, so bye.